Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off the dishwasher's water supply underneath the sink. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the Whirlpool Dishwasher Fuse. It's going to be a very easy repair and it'll only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new fuse. The fuse is a safety device that stops the dishwasher from overheating. The main reason is to be changing it out, so if it's failed and the heater is not working. In order to get to the part, we have to pull the dishwasher out. First thing we're going to do is go underneath the sink and disconnect the lines. Now that we're underneath the cabinets, you want to make sure that the dishwasher is still unplugged, and you may want to throw a towel down. When we take off the fill line and the drain hose, there's going to be some water that comes out. First we're going to disconnect the fill line. It's connected right here to the hot water valve. You want to make sure the water valve is off, and then we're going to use our 5/8" wrench to loosen up the hose. Once you have it broke free, you can just reach in and unscrew it by hand. Once you have it off, you can just set it down, and then we can take off the drain hose. To take the drain hose off, you just want to follow it up to wherever it goes. It may go to the garbage disposal. Ours goes up to the air gap. Once you locate the end of it, we're going to take a 5/16 nut driver and loosen up the clamp. Once you have the clamp loose, you can pull it free and set it down. Now that we have the lines disconnected, we're going to open up the dishwasher door so we can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now that we have the screws out, we're going to lift up on the door and use it to carefully pull the dishwasher out of the cabinets a little bit. Once you have it started, we can grab the frame, pull it out about 3/4 of the way. Once you have it out, you can close the door. Now that we have the dishwasher pulled out, we have access to the fuse. It's over here on the right hand side of the dishwasher. First thing we're going to do is disconnect the wires. There's an orange one on the right and a white one on the left. They're on there tight. Use a small flathead screwdriver to help get them off. Once you have the wires off, we're going to use a 1/4" socket with a ratchet and a little extension to take the screw out. Once you have the screw loose, we can pull that and the fuse off the dishwasher. Here's the old fuse next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new fuse in, we're just going to line it up and hold it onto the tub. Then we can use the 1/4" socket with the extension and the ratchet to put the screw in. Once you have it mounted, we can reattach the wires. All you have to do is grab them and plug them on. Remember, the white one was on the left and the orange one was on the right. Once you have them connected, we can push the dishwasher back into the cabinets. We can go underneath the sink and pull on the lines to make sure they're not caught on anything. Then we can push the dishwasher in the rest of the way. Now we can reconnect the drain hose to the air gap. Once you have it pushed up into place, we're going to use our 5/16" nut driver to tighten down the clamp. Once you have the drain line hooked up, we can hook up the water line. All you have to do is get it started by hand. Once you have it snug, we can reach in with our 5/8" wrench to tighten it down so it doesn't leak. Now that we have the lines reconnected, we can open up the door and use the Phillips screwdriver to put in the screws that hold the dishwasher to the countertop. Now that we have the screws in, we can close the dishwasher door. Then we can plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.